They seem to share the same tools, but if we dig a little bit further, we find... Hi, I'm Laura from Grade Hacker, the non-traditional student's most trusted resource. Grammarly and ProWritingAid are two of the best and most popular writing apps you can find. So before you start using one of them, let's see which one is better. On the one hand, we have Grammarly, which has artificial intelligence that reviews and points out all the grammar, spelling, and punctuation mistakes, and also gives you stylistic suggestions that fit the purpose of your text. On the other hand, we have ProWritingAid, a similar app designed for professional writers that works better with longer pieces. Their editing software recognizes grammar, spelling, and readability improvements and highlights other elements. Both are freemium apps, meaning they have a free version available with their most essential features. But if you are a writer that wants to truly make use of all their tools, you'll need to become a premium user. Let's see what features they have to offer. Starting with ProWritingAid, they have a grammar checker that identifies spelling and grammatical mistakes. They also offer many writing reports that highlight key elements like repetitiveness, length variation, vague wording, adverbs. But one of our favorite tools is the thesaurus, which shows possible replacements for nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Another ProWritingAid key feature is the overuse tool, which checks your writing for commonly overused words and phrases. Finally, their structure tool compares your usage of different sentence structures with published text in your genre. Now, Grammarly shares the same main features of correcting grammar and punctuation errors. To help you improve your vocabulary, they highlight words and suggest which other words would fit your essay's tone. And if you get stuck writing because you can't think of a synonym, you can double click on a word and it will automatically show you more alternatives. That's cool, right? However, we think that one of Grammarly's best features is its plagiarism checker tool. You can compare your paper with thousands of existing web pages to identify any plagiarism. Okay, so now let's discuss each app design and how they display their information. So ProWritingAid has a complete but overpacked design. Their layout is divided into 3 dashboards. First, we have the main bar on the right where you'll find the Goals and Improvements tab. Secondly, we have the search bar on the left where we can access documents, and finally, we can find all their additional features on the top. Having all their options and features on site makes it easy to get lost among the many features, especially if you are only planning on using the most basic ones. Luckily, all these dashboards can be hidden and you can choose which one to use. You can have a clean space with all the features out of sight and write while having all of their tools at hand. Grammarly's interface is more straightforward. On your right, you only have a list of suggestions for grammar mistakes with a detailed explanation of why you should consider them. And next to it, there is a narrow sidebar with the basic statistics of your paper, like correctness and engagement. Finally, at the bottom, you can find their plagiarism checker. It's a more straightforward, clean design that automatically incorporates all their features. Coming up, we have their integrations because both apps are more than just a website tool. ProWritingAid, for example, has a Chrome extension that gives you a quick check of what you are writing on popular websites like Facebook, Gmail, Twitter, and WordPress. Plus, they have an add-on extension for Google Docs and Microsoft Word. These plugins integrate directly into your processor and barely change its design and interface. And while ProWritingAid currently doesn't have a mobile app, Grammarly does. You can integrate it as your default keyboard. It will give you better suggestions when writing emails or text messages. Then just like ProWritingAid, Grammarly has a Chrome extension that automatically plugs itself into most websites so that you can correct your grammar as you go. They also have add-on extensions for Word and Google Docs. The main difference between each app is that the ProWritingAid Word and Google Docs extensions are paid, while Grammarly's are free. The last aspect we need to consider is how much each writing app costs and what payment plans they offer. We must say that ProWritingAid has great prices. You will pay $20 for the monthly plan, $120 for the annual plan, and $399 for the lifetime plan, which is done in one payment and includes all future updates. Their prices clearly aim to establish a long-term relationship with their clients, as you can save 50% by paying for the annual plan. And it could be even more with the lifetime option, even though this will depend on the use you will give it in the future. On the contrary, Grammarly's prices are a bit higher. You will pay $30 for the monthly subscription, $60 for the quarterly plan, and $144 for the annual subscription. So which one should you choose? Both apps share common grounds. They have an accurate grammar checker, many advanced features, and integrate into Chrome, Google Docs, and Word. Speaking from our experience, we have spent many years using Grammarly, and we can say that it's definitely worth it. But if you don't want to spend that much on a writing app that you will only use a few times, we recommend choosing ProWritingAid. You get the same advanced features for less money. We hope this comparison was helpful. Please like and subscribe to our channel and share us with your friends. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time. If you think Grammarly is the app for you, go ahead and check out our in-depth review or find other helpful apps on our list of best websites for college students.